Hello everyone, you are watching Services Ground. In this video, we will discuss about the best graphic design tools and apps for designers, agencies, digital creatives, and anyone doing graphic design. We will discuss about the offline design software, cloud-based graphic design software, and graphic design resources that supports your workflow. These design tools will continually reward you over time if you use them. Anything listed here is easy to get started with today for creating visual art or marketing materials for any online business. Adobe Photoshop is an offline graphic design software. Adobe Photoshop is by far the best all-in-one graphic design app for designing any online business experience, whether it's for an app, website, images for videos, social media content, photography, or anything else. It's the one tool you need to do all of these. It's the best imaging and graphic design software to lay out your ideas with quality. You can use it on your laptop or desktop computer or as an iPad app. There is a learning curve, but you can also get started with some basic features right away and work your way up and learn as you go. You will be continually rewarded over time as your Photoshop knowledge grows with your business. Like Adobe Photoshop, Adobe Illustrator is also offline graphic design software. Adobe Illustrator is an outstanding vector-based graphic design app. Vector is a geometric system that uses points and lines to allow you to draw anything you can think of. The advantage of the Illustrator app in being vector-based is you can push and pull on the lines to make them curve to whatever shape you want. You can also move the points around and you have full range of options as a graphic design app to draw whatever you want. You can get started with some really basic features in the Illustrator app from day one, and it's a deep enough tool to reward you again and again over time as you grow in the mastery of the app. Canva is one of the cloud-based graphic design software. Canva is the choice for people who see the learning on Photoshop as too steep and just want to get up and running today with a layout tool that's easy to use. That's Canva. The Canva app will let you copy and paste images, text, icons, and anything else graphic based into a layout. You can move them around and adjust everything to your liking. Canva templates are really shines for the beginner. You can get thousands of free ready-made templates to use that let you customize them for your design while giving you great layouts. These are great for social media platforms like Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter, as well as flyers, business cards, presentations, and more. You can use them for whatever you want to create. You can use the Canva app with your devices or Canva online with your computer, but they will be accessing the same account that you set up. Another online graphic design app like Canva is Snappa, that is cloud-based graphic design software. Image dimensions for social media, display ads, blogs, emails, and infographics are available as clickable presets. You don't need to start from scratch or stare at a blank screen ever. There is thousands of pre-made templates that look professional and earn you more attention, clicks, and customers. Like Canva, Snappa is great for social media posts design like Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter, as well as flyers, business cards, presentations, and more. Pixabay has relevant, modern photos that portray modern life as we see it around us. You are free to download, use, resize, and remix the images even in commercial situations. They are all royalty free under the Creative Commons Zero license. They are useful for targeting what kind of photo you want to use. These are great for social media, websites, marketing tools, online media, and whatever you can think of. The images are high quality and you can browse, download, and start using them today. Unsplash is the website dedicated to sharing stock photography under the Unsplash license. The website claims over 110,000 contributing photographers and generates more than 11 billion photo impressions per month on their growing library that is over 1.5 million photos. Unsplash has been cited as one of the world's leading photography websites. Unsplash allows photographers to upload photos to its website, which are then curated by a team of photo editors. The premium copyright terms on its photos have led to Unsplash becoming one of the largest photography suppliers on the internet, with its member photos frequently appearing on the articles. So these are the best graphic design tools and apps. Keep visiting our channel for more updates as this list is growing over time with more of the best graphic design tools and apps.